Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this beautiful iris of an eye painting with alcohol ink. And before we start, I just want you to read the safety tips on alcohol ink art. So it will be very useful for your next paintings. So for this painting, I'm using this gloss ultra premium high gloss photo paper from Staples. And you could use even Nara paper or any other synthetic paper. So let us get started with the painting. First of all, I use this Cali art markers, which is alcohol ink based markers, and I'm just going to draw a circle in the center of the paper. And like I said earlier, I use the back side of the photo paper for making the painting because the glossy side doesn't let the inks flow properly. So that's why I use the non-glossy side, which is the back side. But if you're using synthetic paper, you can use any side. So I'm using a little plate to draw the outline of a circle for painting the center of the eye. You can use any color, but I used blue for this outline. Since we are drawing blue eye, I'm using a color called Glacier. But you can use any blue that you have, doesn't really matter. And I use this blowing tool which I got from Amazon. You can search on Amazon by the word mini duster or something, then you can find this kind of air pump. And I use the teal color also, teal or mermaid, both are the same. And I'm just blowing gently to let it dry. And now I'm adding the isopropyl alcohol, the one I showed you in the beginning. It's called 91% isopropyl alcohol. Basically, if you add that to the alcohol ink, the ink and the isopropyl alcohol will blend, and then you get the abstract texture like this. When you make the first blowing thing, you let it dry and then you make the other side. Make sure each layer is dry before you add the isopropyl alcohol. So that's very important. So that way you keep on blowing and adding more solution. If you accidentally spill some paint, you can wipe it off with isopropyl alcohol with a tissue paper, like just the way I'm doing it. So that is the way to correct any mistakes on the painting. again using the Cali art markers, the alcohol ink based markers, and then I'm using light blue color and drawing the outline of the circle. Now it's time to draw the inner circle, and you can color it black with black pen, or you could also use a Sharpie or any other pen that you have. But I think I'm going to use some acrylic paint, which is very easy. So after drawing this, I'll be using black acrylic paint to paint the center of the circle. time to draw some reflection. So I'm using white acrylic paint mixed with little water, and then I'm drawing the reflection part of the eye. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're first time coming to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, because I post videos every single day and I'm sure you will enjoy my painting tutorials. And please feel free to comment on my video if you like me to make any other new paintings, and I will be more than happy to make that tutorial for you. And please share my video link on your Facebook and other groups, so more and more people will come to my channel and learn my techniques.